Oh, continuing the theme of Minger Wednesday, I've been dreading this one. This is a previous client. I have done this bike a couple of years ago. He does motorcycle tours all around the countryside. It's 68,000 miles on it. Obviously has not been cleaned in some time. He has bought himself a new bike. Wanted this cleaned up before he puts it away to store, but not too sure what the hell I'm supposed to do to it. Look at all the corrosion. Obviously has not had any protection on it whatsoever. She is minging. 2015 model. Oh god, look at the chain. Oh my god. Oh, and it's got a Scott Oiler on it. Oh great, but look how dry it is and rusty. They've just put some tires on it around back. So he wants me to give it a bit of Trott Luv. This is going to be one hell of a challenge. She is hanging. Oh, great. Oh, why do I get all these rough ones? I want some nice bikes to clean. Look at this. This is going to be an expensive 4-hour valet. So enough of my jibber jabber. Let's see if we can work a little Trott magic. We'll probably have to paint those wheels as we did previously. Get all this rust off of there. Do a bit of polishing on that screen. It's all scratched up. Oh my goodness. Look at the state it's in. Anyway, let's work a bit of Trott magic. Wish me luck. There you go, 3 hours and 40 minutes. I have done all I can with this old Kawasaki Versus. I would say she looks a different bike. Oh my goodness, what a mess. There is a saying, you can't polish a something or other, but I'll sure give it a try. We painted loads of bits and pieces that were rusty. Oh, the subframe, someone's tried to paint it before, looks like with a brush and enamel, but I've just touched it up the best I can. Polished up all that exhaust, got all that minging burnt on tar off of there. All the back disc has been sorted out. It was all rusty, all your caliper. Oh my god, all that chain had been degreased, re-lubed, blow dried. I just did a 2-stage polish on the tank, but it's pretty bad to be honest with you. I can't really spend much more time on this. All degreased, all your swing arm, all your center stand, side stand, all been painted. Yes, 3 hours, 45 minutes. I've had enough. I'm going home.